Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you guys how to take 360 photos using your Android smartphone. So on your Android smartphone, install the Google Camera 7.4, which I have done in my previous video. The links will be in the description below. After installing the Google Camera 7.4 APK, open the Google Camera app on your Android smartphone. After you have opened the application, scroll all the way right, click on the More option. In there, click on Photosphere, and after the Photosphere opens up, click a photo by clicking on the shutter button. After that, move your camera to the blue dot on the screen and the photo will be taken automatically. Do this until all the blue dots are completed and the photo is taken. After that, wait for the processing to be completed, and after the processing is completed, your 360 photo will be ready. Now on your Android smartphone, go to the Play Store and install Theta Plus APK. It's a free app on your Play Store. After that, open the Theta Plus application. In there you will see the photo which we took right now, the 360 degree photo. Click on that photo, and in the bottom center you will see the edit option. Click on the edit option and you can edit it to look like a small globe, or you can add several effects like what I am showing on the screen right now. After you have edited, you can export this image to your internal storage, or you can use any social media to share online. So that is it for today's video guys. If you guys enjoyed this short tutorial, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay safe. See you guys in the next one.